To enable Google Analytics tracking code, you need to follow a series of steps that will allow you to monitor and analyze your website's traffic. First, create a Google Analytics account by going to the Google Analytics website and signing in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once you have signed in, click on the Sign Up button to create a new Google Analytics account. Fill out the required information, including your website's name, URL, and industry category. You will then be given a unique tracking code that you will need to install on your website. The tracking code is a small piece of JavaScript code that tracks and sends data to your Google Analytics account. To install the tracking code, you will need to access your website's HTML code. If you are using a content management system such as WordPress, you can install a plugin that will automatically add the tracking code to your website. Alternatively, you can manually add the tracking code to your website by copying and pasting it into the HTML code of each page you want to track. It is generally recommended to add the tracking code to the header or footer of your website, as this will allow it to track all pages of your site. After installing the tracking code, verify that it is working correctly by checking your Google Analytics account. You should start to see data coming in within a few hours. It is also a good idea to set up goals and conversions in your Google Analytics account, as this will allow you to track specific actions that visitors take on your website. Best practices for using Google Analytics include regularly checking your account for new data and insights, and using the data to make informed decisions about your website and marketing strategy. You should also ensure that you have the correct tracking code installed on your website, and that you are not tracking any personally identifiable information. By following these steps and best practices, you can enable Google Analytics tracking code and start to gain valuable insights into your website's traffic and behavior. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions and improve your website's performance over time.